And I'd like to show you some importing and exporting details in the Accutech software for the Accufit 9000. So up here in the top right-hand corner, you have your database you're working out of. So I have the main Levitt safety database, plus I have three other ones, and they all operate independently. So if I switch to the Moncton office, I would only be importing and exporting from that one database. Same thing with the Oakville office, it would be totally separate. And if I had contractors, the same thing. Everything here is separate. So what I'll cover first is if I want to take this database that's on my computer right now and export it to a an Accufit. So I'll go into devices and you'll see these three dots here. I can click on this and I can say sync to device. And it'll give me this database that's up here, whatever one I have highlighted, the name of it and the date and also the time. A clean copy is the list of people, respirators, and protocols that go out. And so this would be synchronized to the Accufit. There would be no fit test data because you're just sending those details out to it, and you do fit testing with the machine and then bring it back if that's the way you use the machine. Full copy would be everything, including fit tests, would be sent in this file out to the Accufit, and you'd have the choice to sync it back later on. And manual is you get to choose. So you could include the fit test data, the protocols. We've got two here in Canada that we use. Most of the time we're using this one with the standard Accufit 9000. So I may only want to export this one. And then whatever respirators that I have set up, I can choose which ones I want to send out. So that's how we would do this. Actually, I'll just do a clean copy out to it and see what it does here. Okay, so I've sent those 88 records out to the Accufit with this serial number because we may have multiple units connected, so we'd want to choose which one to connect to. So that's sending the information from this database that's highlighted here out to the Accufit. So now it's in the Accufit's memory, the internal memory, not on a flash drive. If I go to settings now, I can also do data management. And this would be if I want to import a database from a machine. So if I go to, well, a machine or a flash drive. So the first one would be from a file that would be on a flash drive. So I have a flash drive plugged into the computer. And so it's under D, so USB drive, mask fit, and then I've got two databases. So if I choose one, it will look at it and it'll tell me there's four fit tests, three people, three protocols were included, and there's one fit check. So I won't do this one right now. What I'll do is I'm going to click to the next option where you actually connect to an Accufit that's connected right now. So I can choose which device. This is the one I previously exported data to. I have these databases on board right now. So if I choose this one, and let's see what it does, it will look at it. It will basically tell me what's on that file and if I should import it. So let's try to import that in. So I've got that, and I could do another, or I could go back. Now, those fit tests should be here. And again, I'm working out of this main database. I could have sent it to any of these separate databases as well. But the big thing here is these are all independent databases. Even though this is the main organization, these are all treated as separate databases.